Hi guys! Nasa SM po kami ngayon. At bibili kami ng ingredients para sa tibang.
Ayun yung MLK.
Ayun lang.
Urban Leaf, diba?
Balikan namin kayo pag may nakita na kami.
Ano natin?
Nandito kami sa SM ngayon.
A scented candle made with fragrant oils mixed into the wax gives off a pleasant aroma when burning. A scented candle is a nice touch in a bathroom, especially when guests are over, in a bedroom or any room of the house. Benefits of using scented candles. Number 1, reduces stress. Stress relief is one of the biggest benefits of scented candles. We might not realize it, but we constantly rely on our sense of smell. Number 2, makes you feel revitalized. As scented candles add calming properties to the atmosphere, they can help you feel fresh and revitalized. Number 3, brain boosting. Scented candles have a brain-boosting qualities. Certain aromas like cinnamon, almond, and peppermint can affect your brain and stimulate concentration. Number 4, improves sleep. The hustle and bustle and stressors of everyday life and bad lifestyle habits can adversely affect our sleep patterns. Number 5, creates ambience. Candles can easily transform any space and create a moody climate. And if you want to take things up a notch, add scented candles to your room. Create an ambience.